Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is how to make a super delicious crock pot chili. So before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel, ring that bell and turn on notifications, which is really cool. It's going to be like getting a text message from me, your girl Jenny. Hey, I just posted a video. You can be one of the first to check it out. Comment below, say hi, and let me know different types of videos you want to see. So let's get started. So again, as I said, really easy chili to make, starting with beans. Right? You can choose any beans you like. I choose 3 different types of beans. I love black beans, I love light and dark red kidney beans. So that's exactly what I have here. Put them in the colander. I used to just rinse them to and from in the can, to and from in the can, and would lose so many beans in the sink. So I now do it in the colander and all my beans stay there and I don't waste any. So really easy. Open your can. Right, you're going to pour it in and rinse it under nice cold water to get that bean juice, if you will, off of your beans. And so I don't care too much about what type of bean. All beans are really great for you. Good source of fiber, good source of potassium. I'll let you know the benefits of that as we work our way through this. But the main thing is the sodium content. You can use dry beans if you want, soak them overnight. But I'm a quick, simple, easy type of girl when it comes to cooking. So canned beans are great. And the brand doesn't matter so much to me, it's the sodium. So I try to get reduced sodium or no added salt whenever I can. And this just happened to be Goya at the grocery store I was at. So I'm gonna simply pour my rinsed beans into the crock pot, okay? Really easy. I prepared a lot of stuff for you guys, so you're not standing here watching me open cans and rinse things. This is 2 cans of no added salt, Hunt's tomatoes. Again, I don't care so much about the brand, it's the no added salt, because salt is in everything. So that one I don't drain because I want that liquid in there, because chili is supposed to be somewhat liquidy, but nice and chunky and delicious. I also have sauce. So this I poured simply into my Pyrex, but it is 2 cans of no added salt sauce. So these little 8-ounce net weight cans, I'm gonna pour that in. It's starting to look delicious and smell great already. I diced up roughly, a rough chop, let's see. This is an onion, hard to see in the lighting, I apologize on that. But onion, chop it up in there, really easy. So fragrant and delicious. And I also have garlic. Again, I told you I was a simple, easy step cooking kind of girl. So if I can buy garlic already minced for me, I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna do like a tablespoon. That's gonna go a long way. So by using, give it a nice stir, by using different herbs and spices, and we'll definitely get into that too, and like this garlic and the onion, that's what's gonna give it so much flavor and not need that sodium. So yes, there's not a lot of sodium here, but we don't want it to be too bland tasting, so we gotta spice it up a little bit. So we have chili powder, fabulous. There's actually some sodium in chili powder. So again, that's why I'm all about not getting too much salt. So that's a good amount. That was probably about a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm gonna do some oregano in there. That is probably about a tablespoon as well. We'll do some fresh pepper. And for the husband, some red pepper flakes. These, I can't go too many on them, so we're gonna say that's maybe a 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, because those are spicy for me. I'm telling you, cinnamon gum makes me sweat. So, all right, let's see. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, and I'll show you the consistency I have going on here. And you're just gonna cook this for, really doesn't matter. I mean, it's really just to meld all the fragrance and ingredients together. So I'll just do on high for 4 hours, so it's ready at a decent time for dinner. But again, you could put this on low all day. I mean, it's just gonna be delicious. So I said I was gonna talk about potassium. So potassium, electrolyte, good for our heart, helps with muscle contraction, and then fiber. Diets high in fiber can help reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, help you maintain a healthy weight by keeping you fuller longer. So beans, great source of potassium and fiber. And so once this chili is done, again, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the crock pot. I will top it with some sharp white cheddar. So delicious. And we need some chips, right? Come on, you have to have chips with chili. So these are fantastic. Okay, I'm not necessarily a gluten-free diet follower, but these are really good. You know, the nutrition facts, fantastic. You can read of all those ingredients that are in there. They have lots of different seeds, flaxseed, sesame seeds, quinoa, corn, brown rice, things like that. But these flaxseed are whole flaxseed, so they go in the same way that they're gonna come out. When you do eat flaxseed, you want it to be ground flaxseed. But again, this is a good source of fiber. There's 3 grams of fiber in these chips. And I mean, we have so much fiber going on in our beans here. But I'm gonna show you in a second what our chili looks like in the pot. Let's see, question for you. What's your favorite kind of bean? Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And here is a look at the chili. So, thanks so much for watching.